how to get access to Sora 2 AIs. Hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for accessing, you need to purchase our, you can using invite code. So where you guys will get invite code. So for the invite code, you guys can simply go to your browser. Here you guys will search for OpenAI official Discord, OpenAI Discord. You need to make sure that you click on official one. So you guys can see on top OpenAI, so simply click on that official Discord. After that, join that official Discord. Once you join that, here you guys will see on left side. Like once you click on that, here you guys will see welcome announcement, discuss Sora 2 codes. So simply click on Sora 2 codes. Here you will see people sharing invite codes of Sora AI, and it was official Discord. So you need to make sure that you use the official code that was shared by official moderator or the admin, and that's how you guys can get invite codes. Thanks for watching.